this week's 2-minute tip, we're going to take it a little bit closer to the basics. I got this question the other day, and when I'm talking with someone, a lot of the beginning, as I've said in the past, it's a lot of questions, Q&A. Why now? What's happening in your life to, drive this, that type of thing. And I was talking to a wonderful gentleman. He has a corporate position and he wants to diversify his income. He knows business ownership is a great way to do that. And we were, talking about different options to him, what he wants from the business, which was a high 5, low 6-figure return. He wants to be able to use funding, go to the SBA so he can, use other people's money a little bit in order to fund this business. You know all the taglines, right? And so we were getting into it. It's been a couple hours of different meetings. And he said to me, Lisa, why would I do a franchise? Why wouldn't I just do this on my own? And I thought, wow, that's quite a question for someone that wants to put 10 to 20 hours a week into the business, yield a 6-figure return. With a franchise, you're buying someone else's operating system, right? You're buying their system, their proven marketing approach, website, URL, SEO, all of that type of thing. And it's all being done for you. You have someone that's going to talk to your staff when you're not around, help put out those fires that you're not going to be available to do. I can't imagine trying to do that without a franchise system. I mean, especially when you really want to put a minimum amount of hours and you're going to use someone else's everything in order to get this business up and running. Yeah, you've got to pull the levers. You've got to do the work and work with your staff and read the materials and probably go to training. But you're going to training to run a successful business. Doing that yourself, I don't know how to say this, but there's no training for that. So when you're starting to think about why a franchise, think about maybe just that part. In what other business is your partner going to be a minority partner in the business and is going to try to give you all of the answers and hopefully work almost just as hard as you are to make your business successful? That's one of the many reasons to at least consider franchise ownership.